most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna
question of my heart. You got it. It don't belong to anyone but you.
I just left the mall. I'm about to go get something to eat and then head back home. But yes, you guys, I went to Macy's and I got my sister the perfect gift. I'm so excited. Like, I was really giving up, but I couldn't talk too much on the wall because I was on the phone, so I was just like recording on my phone, because when I record on my camera and I try to edit, it takes like hours for my thing to properly load and stuff like that. So doing Vlogmas on my phone will be better for me. So yeah, I got her the perfect gift. I'm so excited. I'm like, I need to treat myself because I got her the perfect gift. So I'm about to go get me some Jamaican food. I was gonna go to this wing place and I need to lose weight, right? I was gonna go to this wings spot, but I'll go tomorrow when I come back from the gym. So after the gym tomorrow, I'll go to the wing spot. Make it make sense. I got my coworker their Secret Santa gift, just a little add-on. And I got her, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I'm planning out this day thing for my sister for her birthday. Her birthday is actually tomorrow, but we're gonna celebrate it the following week. We celebrating all month long, but I'm so excited I got it for her. Anyways, I gotta go, I'm driving. Bye. Hold on. Hold on. You know, people, hold on. Got my Jamaican food. I went in there, I told her I want 2 mini brown stew chicken with rice and peas, and I said make one cabbage and make one salad. She's like, we don't have no cabbage. I said, okay, make it both salad. And then she starts cutting up chicken. She said too many brown stew. I said yes. So she started cutting up the fried chicken. I said, are you cutting this for me? And she's like, she's saying something under her breath. And then I'm like, I said, ma'am, are you cutting this for me? Because I said I want too many brown stew chicken. She said, too many brown stew chicken, you say? I said, yeah, that's what I said I wanted. And she just got all mad and stuff. I hope she's not getting mad at me because I clearly said too many brown stew chicken. So then like they're all like chitter chatting and stuff like that. Just terrible customer service. I should call and complain because like that's my hard-earned money that I'm spending. And like you're not being professional. I don't like that. Even if she was or was not talking about me, I don't know because I don't speak patois. But like, I'm like, girl. So I told the other person in the front, I was like, I did say I want too many brown stew chicken. And she's like, okay, $13 coming up. But anyways, I'm about to go home and eat my food and try to clean up. And it's only 8 o'clock, but I'm tired. Probably do an unboxing, but I'm tired. These people are so freaking crazy, man. I'm here. I'm back home. I had my Jamaican food. It was mid. Lady Dick gave me all this attitude for no reason, and the food was mid. But I still ate it though. Anyways, I'm watching Real Housewives of Potomac. But I want to show you guys what I got from the store. So from Bath and Body Works, how much I spent? I spent $28.73 at Bath and Body Works. For my Secret Santa at work, she was saying like she likes these body lotions, body whatever. So I got her Champagne Toast, Japanese Blossom. This is the one I could find for 1,000 Wishes. It was buy 3 get 1 free. I got Bright Christmas Morning, which smells amazing. It smells so good. It smells really good. So I got that. And then I went to Sephora. I only got 2 things at Sephora, so I really like the Burberry Herb perfume, but I wanted to test them out to see if I should commit to a full-size bottle first. So I got this one, and they were having a 20% off like the whole store. So this was originally like $60 something. I got it for like $50. Then I had $10 off, so then I got it for like $40. But then I got this because I love this deodorant, and I just happened to have run out. And was it an impulse buy? Maybe. But did I need deodorant? Definitely. This one smells so good. Like, I love it. So that's what I got. And then I signed up for Kohl's Rewards because Sephora is in Kohl's now. How much did I spend? I ain't gonna say how much I spent because yeah. Oh yeah, so I got this for $48, and I got the deodorant for. Last but not least, we went to Macy's. This is for my sister. In case she's watching the vlog, I'm not gonna show it, but I'm so excited I was able to get this for her. Her birthday is coming up, so yeah. And that's pretty much it. I'm about to clean this whole mess over here. I know I'm so embarrassed. I have to clean. Ooh, the skin looks good from here, but this is my chin. I have to clean all of this. Just gonna put my clothes away because I did laundry, so I have to put my clothes away, fix it up. And yeah, I'm really trying to lose like 5 pounds in the next 3 days so I can record my Shein haul so I can look a little bit good. Like I mentioned the other day, I got this from Amazon, these glass cups, and it has the, what kind of, like the little plastic at the top. Spongy plastic, yeah, I forgot what it's called. Silicone, it's called silicone. I got 4 of them with the silicone, and I only paid like $6. There's others that cost more. There's some that's like $11, $12, but this was $6, so it wasn't too bad. Where are you parking it?
I'm trying to park it right here. Second one.
You gonna turn it around? You better call a mechanic to come pick it up. What you need me to do? Record this moment, and next year when you're driving your Tesla.
Yeah, facts.
It should be the third one. It's imperative to have roadside assistance. You want me to push it?
Under the mistletoe,